What's up guys, it's your boy Fabi. Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so from see me so you know what me come to talk about. Again, you see me? Look like from the other day I be Elsa me I talk about. Anyway guys, you know me always keep on up to date with the Elsa, with the storm, with the thing we are going in 8 year and numbers. I keep on up to date on everything, so as soon as me get a look at news, me just keep on up to date and everything, you see me? But now I get some video footage Elsa a damage in a New York right now. The subway in a New York over flooded water and everything. You see? So guys, so now like Elsa, from Elsa strike strike Barbados, strike in some rest of Caribbean island them are now heading to Florida first, Tampa. Now it's shut in a New York, you see me? So you have a lot more state to go in America, you see me? So just ask people to just keep safe, you see me? And me hear them say how them so have lights out and everything, so you just buy up the gears them when you're supposed to buy, you see me? And just keep safe until Elsa pass, because you know see how Elsa mash up the whole place, you see me? So guys, when you just stay tuned for the channel and watch out the video to the end, you see me? As when you click on the channel and just like it and just leave a comment down below.
Hold on there. Yo, 60 to 130, no.
The bother with it today, Jay. For the what? Mind the hydrant.
Oh! Yo! Nah.
Okay. Oh my God, he's in it. He's in it. He's in it.
They need to roll their way.
New York City has been hit by flash floods and thunderstorms as Storm Elsa makes its approach, resulting in dramatic photos and videos being shared online. Parts of the New York City and New Jersey metro area were hit by significant flash flooding on Thursday, the National Weather Service said in a forecast on early Friday morning. Tropical Storm Elsa, which first made landfall on Wednesday, moved through the mid-Atlantic states on Thursday night. It was forecast to accelerate northeast towards the New Jersey coast, and head towards the tri-state coast on Friday morning, the National Weather Service covering New York said. On Friday, a National Weather Service flood advisory was in place for New York City with high rainfall expected to cause flooding in areas that were low-lying and with poor drainage. NYC Emergency Management advised people not to drive cars on waterlogged roads, and to instead move to higher ground. Videos shared on social media on Thursday demonstrated how the weather was making day-to-day activities tough for the city's residents. One video shared over 17,000 times showed a person trying to navigate waist-deep water at a subway platform by the 1 train at 157th Street. Other footage shared by the same user depicted people take what they called the potato sack race approach to the flooding, as people used garbage bags to try to protect themselves from the water.
Una serie de tormentas inundó el jueves varias vías y estaciones de metro de Nueva York. Durante la jornada cayeron entre 5 y 10 centímetros de agua, anegando andenes subterráneos y obligando a cerrar temporalmente algunos ejes viales, sobre todo en el Bronx, causando problemas de circulación vial. Las autoridades meteorológicas advirtieron que es probable que haya nuevas inundaciones en la metrópoli, porque se esperan más lluvias empujadas por la tormenta Elsa, que ya pasó por el Caribe y la Florida.
Look at that. What? What? Oh my God. This is like happening. Oh my God.
The trouble there is just heavy volume.
Of course, can't make it fast.
Yo, nah, bro. Welcome to the Bronx, my nigga.